Hey everybody, it's October 28th, 2020. I'm recording this 5 minutes before um, noon Pacific Standard Time, so if you are following price action trading system, you still have a few minutes to trade, but I closed out today. I trade 3 contracts on the simulator. I'm waiting to make $15,000 doing that before I go to real money, and I'm still going to go to the mini ES. And this is the first day I hit $1,000, so I'm very excited. Let's take a look. So overnight we had this yellow channel down. The market opened right about here, and it was a range. I think they trapped a lot of longs up here, and then for the rest of the day it was just down. And I think, oh, it looks like we're breaking the channel for the first time today. So we had this large pink channel today, and that's what has been holding prices. And really, it looks right now, it looks like price has been kind of ranging with an upward bias for the last like 2 hours. But I wasn't taking any longs today. I think I have one trade that's marked for going long, but I did not take any longs. And I posted something in the forum about being aggressive on these days. I've only been doing this for 3 months now, and it just seems like on days like this, you can be aggressive. Once you realize this strong trend down, it just feels like as long as you're taking like lower highs and good signal bars for the most part, you're going to make money. Some of them might fail. I don't think I had any fail today. Some of them might fail, but if you keep taking good setups, you're gonna get money. So let's see. So the market opened, and I don't know if I took this right as the market opened. It looks like I might have. So this is the overnight low right here, this bottom blue line, and prices started ranging with this top line. I guess I already had that drawn, and so I took that signal bar. It's been first break of that yellow channel. And it's been going down all night. So I took that and it did work. Then prices range more, even more, and the support is probably right about here. I waited for a little bit. I put a square around this because this is a trap. Look at all these people who probably went long above this. Here, I'll turn off my crosshairs. Who probably went long above this green signal bar. Look at that. That's a great signal bar. So people went long. Look, it ticks one tick higher, and then it goes down low. I didn't take that too much risk. It's too big of a bar, but it would have you would have scalped out eventually. And maybe you would have want to take in this bar, which closed right at the top of the range. And I think you would have scalped out there. So just something to point out. I like to find traps in here. It helps me spot things better. Then we have this move down. I didn't draw. There's definitely a channel down, almost like a spike in channel, really. But we have this yellow channel. This yellow channel held for, I think, yeah, over an hour because it went past 7:30. So you have this yellow channel. And look at this trap. I really like this. I'm pretty sure I took this trade. I saw it in real time. Yeah, I did take this trade. So this is the overnight lows. And look at that people who are anticipating a range day, you get these sellers going into it. You get a little bar that closes right at the top of the range, and it goes higher. So people who went long there got filled, and then it breaks lower. So I took that trade, got filled. Prices are moving in the bottom half of this channel. Come up here. This I don't think this is. I think this green bar is higher than the red bar, or else I probably would have marked that. And here we have a failed second entry long. I think technically this wouldn't be the second entry because this is actually the high over here, but I just judged it off the this bar, first entry, second entry. I don't think I took this one, but. Like I said, once you realize this is a trend day, and I think once you draw this yellow channel off the highs or these two lows, you could determine that that's a downtrend. Even though this signal bar isn't pretty, it's off the EMA. We're going down, and look at that move down. You would have had plenty of points. So And then we keep moving down, moving towards the bottom of the channel. Prices come back to the midline and the EMA. Okay, that's why I did take this. This is aggressive, and I think if experienced people watch this, they probably wouldn't like me taking this. But look how far down we're going. And first entry, second entry, we got the EMA right here. It's a low risk bar. Let's see if I can get the. I can't get the risk up. It's not letting me. Here, let me move the mouse down. Okay, yeah, bar size and tick 6. So that's as low risk as it gets, and I did take that. And I got a big move out of that. Oh, you know what? This one, oh, I was so frustrated. This one filled my 1, 2, and 3 point scalps before I could move my runner, so I didn't get the whole move. Or else I put my runner above each bar's high point, 1 tick above, so I would have gotten filled down here. That's about 3284 from, that would have been almost a 10 point move. Okay, so then prices, I didn't have this larger pink channel drawn yet, only the yellow channel. Prices move down, they break the yellow channel. They're in the smaller green channel, so there's an overshoot. So as Mack says, you're typically expecting a trend line break after an overshoot, and that's what we get. So, but this was such a strong move down in the yellow channel that we're still expecting prices to go lower. So we get the break, and then prices kind of start filling this blue channel. So I drew the blue channel. Some people might not agree with it, but I found off the highs, I did find some trades. So I took this, what looks like a failure of some sort. Maybe like it looks like a second entry 2E failure. I mean, it's actually like a third entry, but it looks first entry, second entry. It looks like a second entry failure, and I got filled. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I took that. And look, a big move down. Yeah, I did get the runner on this. Yeah, I had a good day. Everything seemed to be working out. So then we have this second entry short off the blue channel, off the blue trend line, and a low risk bar. Okay, Mack has mentioned in his videos that he likes taking low risk bars. And it's been working out for me. I mean, obviously I'm not going to take every single one, but that looks good. That looks like a good entry. Second entry short, off the trend line, the blue trend. And then I found this red channel off the lows here. Move that up. I didn't take this trade. That looks super aggressive. That's a second entry short. But the signal bar is very green, but it bounced off it. Oh, no, I did take this. No, I didn't. I took this next one. Yeah, so that's aggressive, but you would have gotten filled. And then it comes up, and I was watching this like a hawk here. You know, they're probably tricking so many people into going long, thinking that they caught a bottom, especially after this move up. Oh, that's another reason you might want to take this is because, look, you have this move up, trend line break, moves to a new high as well. So something to think about. And then, so yeah, prices go sideways a little bit. They drop, and then it touches off the trend line again. Once I saw it rejected prices so fast off that trend line, and it shot prices into that trend line very quickly. I knew people were getting trapped there. I went short beneath that. Got a nice move down. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I wish every day was like this. And I wish I was trading with real money, but I'm gonna be patient. Then we get this first real leg up of the day, and you know, aggressive people might be going along on these second entries, but that's not a good signal bar, so you definitely shouldn't go there. These signal bars, these set red signal bars, not going above there. Some people might take that. I marked this one as aggressive, probably a low risk bar, and it's right at the bottom of the channel. We still haven't had a trend line break. And I did have the pink channel drawn by now, so prices go sideways a little bit once they get towards the top of the channel. So I wasn't watching the market here at this point. I was working, but yeah, I would take this lower high. And then prices move into this green channel. I don't see anything I like particularly in here. You might fade this one, or not fade it. You might go short beneath that one. And then here, okay, so this green channel breaks, and you get a second entry short. And I'm pretty sure I took this one too. Yeah, I did take this one in. Moves down. You get stopped out here. Big move. A lot of big moves today. Okay, so here, if I was watching this, I wouldn't take that because it's a first entry, but I was being very aggressive today. So I put a square around this because I feel like I might have taken this, or at least I would have thought about it. It's a nice signal bar, but it failed. So just something to keep in mind. But all the winners I had today, one loser would not have been the end of the world, and I still would have made profit. So I marked this one. This is like I think this is technically like a first, second, third, fourth entry short, but it kind of looks like one leg up, two legs up. So you might think of it as a second entry short, and it's far from the EMA, and it's a low risk bar. Okay, so that's why I marked that. 8 ticks in that bar. Here, this actually looks more like a second entry short, and it's far from the EMA. So you got one leg up, two legs up, second entry short. This is a double touch, or a double test, excuse me, over here. Double test from these highs. So I marked that. Signal bar's pretty good. It's far from the EMA. And then we have a failed second entry long off this high. First entry, second entry, and it's below the EMA. And nice move down. Then you get this tight channel up. I was not watching here, but I'm pretty sure I would have taken that because it's right off the channel, off the pink channel, which has not been broken yet. And it's a huge bearish bar. Okay, we come over here. You get a lower high. I was watching this, and look, bad signal bar. This is a lower high, bad signal bar. Then you get a lower high again. Good signal bar, and I took this move. And that's what I took today, guys. And I hope everyone did well today. I've been really excited because I've been reading the Mark Douglas Trading in the Zone, and it's really been helping my psychology, helping me not move my stops, and just take whatever losses I get and not be worried about them. So I hope you guys can find that useful. Hope this video is useful, and feel free to provide feedback.